To darling, there's something in your eyes. Turn your head and slowly, and please don't cry. I know how you feel inside. I've been there before. Something is changing inside you, and don't you know?